A group of state-line real estate agents voiced their support for a Rockford referendum. Rockford area realtors donated $10,000 to the Rebuild Rockford Infrastructure campaign. Next month, voters will decide whether to extend the city's current 1% sales tax. The campaign's manager says realtors support the referendum because they want high-quality roads for the people they work to bring into the city.
Part of a person's reason to come to a certain area is going to be looking at the services that they receive for their tax dollars, the conditions, the environment, the neighborhoods. And so this revenue source, this tool, allows the city to make massive investments.
The consolidated election is on February 23rd.